Hello my dear friends, this is Laucara and today we will make fabric pumpkins using the magical and vintage inspired spooky and sweet collection. The small pumpkin measures 4 by 1.5 inches and the big one measures 5 by 2 inches. What happens when you have a directional fabric like the stars align trick? You can just cut your circles in the regular way, or you can take it to the next level by making an 8-piece pie with a concentric effect. All you have to do is cut 16 triangles from a strip, join them into 2 blocks, and trim them into circles. Same thing when you have a fussy cut friendly print. You just need to place your template on top of your favorite designs and cut them until you have 16 pieces. Now, let's get ready and make our triangle pattern. For the small pumpkin, you will need a 7.5 inch square, and for the big one, you will need a 9 inch square. Start by folding the paper square diagonally, vertically, and horizontally, so you will crease your paper into 8 parts. Then trace the creases, making sure the lines measure the same. In the small square, each side should measure 3 3/4 inch, and in this big square, each side should measure 4.5 inches. Join the ends of the traced lines, and voila, you have your pattern. Now, place your triangle on top of your fabric strip and cut your pieces. Join the triangles into 8 block quarters. Then join the quarters into 4 halves. And finally, join the halves into 2 blocks. Take the circle pattern and fold it into 4 equal parts. Align the creases with the block seams, making sure they are centered. Pin them and trim the excess fabric. Align the 4 circles, making sure the lining fabric is outside and the main fabric is face to face. Stitch at 1/4 inch from the edge, leaving a 2 inch gap to turn the fabric to the right side. Fill your pumpkins with pillow-form foam. Hand stitch the opening. Take your strips, fold them in half and stitch at 1/4 inch from the edge. I threaded and knotted the end of the sleeve, crossed the needle through the inside, carefully pulled the thread and pushed with my pencil until I turned the sleeve to the right side. Double fold one edge at 1/4 inch and stitch it in place. Take embroidery thread and needle, cross it through the center of the pumpkin, and then make a knot to secure the thread in place. Go around with the thread, following the seam. Insert the needle through the center again and pull the thread tight, creating a crease. Every couple of times, knot the thread in the center again to keep the thread in place. Pass the needle through the wrong side of the small circle. Insert half of the pipe cleaner in the sleeve, then fold the open end of the sleeve, making sure you are folding the end of the pipe cleaner too, and attach it with a needle to the pumpkin. Align the closed edge of the sleeve with the other end of the pipe cleaner and fold. Since the pipe cleaner is shorter than the fabric will gather, giving the stem an organic look. These little pumpkins will make a great complement to your fall decor. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and share with your friends. Please leave your comments below and let us know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.